We're making a tomato lentil spinach soup. People are right now cutting the tomatoes, a little bit of garlic, some spinach.
Lekker soepie!
In the Netherlands, grandmas are particularly famous for soups. Like a lot of grandmas have their own recipe from generation on generation.
Eenzaamheid is nooit goed natuurlijk. Hè? Hier heb je gezelligheid. Kijk, een praatje maken, een spelletje doen.
The soup is just easy because young and old, they can all make it.
De oudere mensen, vaak zitten ze maar enkel te zeuren over hun klachten en zo. En jonge mensen, leuk, die gaan nog lekker uit en dan hoor je wat. En dat vind ik veel leuker ergens.
A lot of the digital age, it's sometimes shallow, I think. That doesn't matter to the elderly people that are here. And they also give very good advice. I've had some very good love advice from them, so that was great.
Tweeduik.